rolling down.
Okay. We got bulls, tacos, and you got a couple things down here. We got some more coming. Not the pretty big. This is our mac and shrimp bowl. The bacon ranch, the queso.
What meat
Chicken.
you have? That's
Chicken.
chicken.
That's
Okay.
homemade queso, bacon, our chicken,
Bacon, yeah.
mac and cheese, ranch, queso, jalapeno.
Looks good. Looks good.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
Yeah. All right, we'll check back with you.
Yes, sir. What you got
Okay,
here?
thank you. Oh, the kimchi. Is
Oh,
that
that's so good.
kimchi crisp, chicken or shrimp?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, we have to make it.
We'll come back to this.
So good. So good.
Thank you.
All right.
Rest